Hello dear students, welcome to online classes. We have already read and understood the poem The Road Not Taken, as well as what the poet wants his readers to perceive about him from the poem has been well explained in the previous videos. Let's once again quickly go through the whole poem and finally discuss what the poet wishes to say in the poem The Road Not Taken. The first thing that we find from the poem, the road symbolizes our life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. The poet describes his feelings about the choices that he had left in the past. The poet continues to say that the path which we have chosen decides our future or destination. The most important message that the poet wants to give is that the choice that we make has an impact on our future, and if we make a wrong choice, we regret it but cannot go back to it. So, we must be wise enough in making our choices. Once, when the poet reached a crossroad in his life about making a vital decision or an important decision, he could not choose both the paths. He had to walk over one of the paths only. He took time to choose the right path. He inspected them to try to decide which was a better option. It took him long to decide, but he chose one out of the two. Although both the roads appeared to him to be the same, he chose one over the other, thinking that the choice he had made would lead him to his aim in life. The poet kept the other one or the other road to travel upon for some other day, although he knew that he would never be able to come back. He would go further on the chosen path and not get a chance to go back on it. As he walked on the chosen path, thinking that it was the best choice, as not many people had travelled on it, or not many people had taken such a decision in their life. He continued on his path, and then he says that one day he would realize whether the path had been beneficial for him or not, and he shall be telling that with a great sigh and perhaps of relief that the choice he made in his life made him reach his destination. He knew his future depended on the choice that he made, and thus the choice that he made would have made all the difference in his life.